In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a Shopify theme desktop. If you've finished customizing a theme and you're ready for the world to see it, publishing makes that theme your live storefront. Keep in mind, publishing replaces whatever theme is currently live. Your existing live theme isn't deleted. It stays in your theme library, and you can switch back at any time by publishing it again. We'll start in the Shopify admin on desktop. Log in, then look to the left sidebar and open Online Store and choose Themes. This page has two key areas: your current theme at the top and the theme library below, which holds any other themes you've installed or uploaded. Find the theme you want to make live. Double-check the name and thumbnail so you're sure you're selecting the correct one. When you've located it, click Publish to the right of that theme. A confirmation pop-up appears to make sure you really want to replace your current live theme. Read the message so you understand what's changing, then confirm. Shopify switches your storefront to the new theme within a few moments. If you refresh your online store in a new tab, you'll see the updated design live for visitors. If you notice something you want to tweak, you can still make edits to the live theme at any time. There's also a second way to publish, which is helpful if you're already working inside the editor. From the same online store, then Themes page, click Customize on the theme you plan to make live. This opens the theme editor, where you preview sections and settings. At the top bar, you'll see a Publish button. Click Publish, review the dialog that appears, and confirm. Shopify applies the theme as your live storefront right away, without leaving the editor. A couple of quick tips as you publish. Make sure you're choosing the correct theme in your library, especially if you keep multiple versions. Give the page a moment to update after confirming, and consider checking a few key pages like your home page and product page to verify everything looks as expected. Remember, publishing isn't permanent. If you want to change later, return to the Themes page and publish a different theme from your library. And that's it. Your theme is now live on your Shopify store.